Hi, I'm Steve Drake, owner of Draytech Services. Our company specializes in moisture, mold, and anything related to air quality in your home and business. Today I want to talk about new construction. If you are planning on building a new home, we offer a service that will protect your property against any possible mold growth. The process is done when the property is under construction during the rough-in stage. We apply a permanent EPA-approved product that resists mold growth and protects the structure. The service is proven and is very affordable. Call me and I will give you the details with a quote. We are insured and Better Business Bureau accredited and have provided mold protection throughout the Carolinas. Our team provides great service and will always tell you the truth. Remember, we're here if you need us. Thank you for your time.